This morning I read a note from a viewer who said it didn't look like there was hardly any food growing in my garden. And I thought, well, it is only the end of May, so maybe they're right. Why don't we go into my garden and see if we can find anything to eat? Let's go. First up is this kale. I've been cutting kale pretty much every day since the middle of April. The trick is not to cut too much from any one plant. You can cut about 1/3 from every plant at a time, and then you want to let it grow back. And the more you cut, the more it grows, and the more you protect it from pests and disease, because those lower leaves are the most prone to get pests on them. These perfect little heads of lettuce. Yum. This time is so huge. It came back from last year. It's a perennial, so you only have to plant it once and you'll have it for life. I love thyme on top of anything grilled or sauteed, and it's perfect for a salad dressing. This sorrel is another plant that comes back year after year. You can make really delicious citrusy salads with this. It grows literally like a weed. Some of my broccoli has gone to seed, but this is a little side shoot from the original head, and it's perfect for a little dinner saute. I've been eating romaine lettuce from this garden for months. It's just about done, but look at how perfect this head is.
Great.
This sage is perfect for pasta dishes. I love the flavor. I also love making a sauce for meat with sage too. Smells so good. These peas are almost done, but they are still giving out new fruit every single week. So I think there's definitely enough here for a side dish for dinner. And the very first 4 tomatoes of the season. Try not to be jealous. These aren't even going to the basket. Right in the mouth. Now, I'm probably too early, but I just want to prove to you that there will be food here one day from these potatoes. Told ya. Now, some kind of wildlife got into my beets the other day. It's a little too early to pick, but look at that. We're actually getting a real beet. I can put on a salad or roast in the oven. I mean, that one looks so pretty. I think I can get at least one more. Oh yeah. Now I need to take this broccoli out of the garden, but it was crazy to see all these peppers already ready to harvest. Peppers really grow so well right underneath broccoli in the early season. All right, it is time to harvest this beautiful cauliflower. Look at it. Wow. Perfect. So I don't know. Does this count as a lot of food or not really? Tell me what you think in the comments. Now, the person who left this comment, they did say that even though there wasn't much food in here, it was very pretty. I made a whole video on how I make my gardens super pretty and full of food, and you can watch that right here.